AP app, TAP tap, CAP cap, AT at, CAT cat, PAT pat, OP op, TOP top, POP pop, OT ot, COT cot, POT pot. A IN in, IS is, HAS has, ON on, THE the, THIS this, ENN, PEN pen, TEN ten, IN in, TIN tin, BIN bin, PIN pin, IT it, PIT pit, SIT sit, BIT bit, AN an, PAN pan, CAN can, TAN tan, CAN can, TAN tan, ET at, NET net, PET pet, BET bet, AT at, SAT sat, BAT bat, PAT pat, AND and, HIS his, WHAT what, WHO who, WITH with, AT at, FAT fat, HAT hat, MAT mat, AWR, CAW car, PAW paw, SAW saw, AY a, DAY day, HAY hay, LAY lay, ET at, LET let, WET wet, YET at, IT it, FIT fit, HIT hit, WIT wit, OW bow, bow, COW cow, WOW wow, HE he, INTO into, SAID said, SHE she, WENT went, AN an, FAN fan, MAN man, VAN van, ET at, JET jet, VET wet, WET wet, IP ip, HIP hip, LIP lip, ZIP zip, IT it, BIT bit, HIT hit, KIT kit, OX ox, BOX box, FOX fox, UZ ugg, HUZ hug, JUZ jug, RUZ rug. ARE DOWN down, FROM from, GOES goes. HERE here. OFF off. AZ ag. BAZ bag. RAZ rag. TAZ tag. AN an. RAN ran. MAN man. PAN pan. AP app. MAP map. GAP gap. RAP rap. AT at. MAT mat. RAT rat. SAT sat. UZ ugg. MUZ mug. RUZ rug. BUZ bug. UN un. BUN bun. SUN sun. RUN run. UT ut. BUT but. NUT nut. RUT rut. MANY many. ONLY only. SAW saw. THERE there. UNDER under. WHERE where. ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಪಾಲಕ ಪೋಷಕರೇ, ಪ್ರತಿನಿತ್ಯ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನನ್ನಂತೆ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಓದುತ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಲಿ. ಆದರೆ ಈ ಪದಗಳ ಅರ್ಥವನ್ನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೇಳದಿರಲಿ. ಸಂದರ್ಭಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುಸಾರವಾಗಿ ಆ ಪದಗಳ ಅರ್ಥವನ್ನು ಸ್ವಯಂ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವರು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.